sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
All right, Fuzz Pie Guy here. You're looking at the Btech APRS-V01 adapter cable here. Now, if you ever used this for APRS, you might have gotten this little piece of paper with it and another little adapter. But I kind of figured, let's open this guy up and see what's in there. You know, nothing particular special, but I got a couple of these, so, and I don't use them. So let's see if we can open this up. Now, I don't know if there's going to be a screw under here or if it's just pressed together. So we might ruin this decal for nothing, but I do see a couple screws. So we have a screwdriver. And it's just a standard small Phillips. So we'll go ahead and open this guy up and see what's involved. So let's get this out of the way. I want that one. And let's get that guy out. All right, so this should pretty much fall apart. So let's go ahead and let's see here. Let's do it this way first. Let me turn it around so we can read it. But there it is. Pretty straightforward. Now, if I'm careful, we got to pop this out of the holder here that it's in. To see what's on the back. There we go. Oh, let me turn it around here. So there's what's on the back. Kind of looks like an aluminum type of tape or just a small aluminum plate, but obviously it's part of the board. But there we are. Nothing too special. But, like I said, kind of wanted to tear this open and see what it's all about. So, one last look. So hopefully this kind of helps out for the people that might want to know what's inside the Btech APRS-V01. All right, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another one.